name is Niridum Regi. I'm one of the 11.2 million public transport users that has to go to work using a train. Now, this is something that I've had to do every single day. And there's been one big problem. Many of us just flock to the train station, just sit there, all of us not knowing when the train is actually going to get to the station where we are. Some get to the bus station, but we never get to know what has happened to a bus that could probably affect us from getting to work in time. Now, there has been attempts to solve this problem, none of which involve a developer, big glasses on, behind a desk, scrapping some website, taking all the information, putting it into an app. Some map services have actually also tried to solve this problem by giving me a form where I have to tell them where I am and where I'm going. Then what follows is a bunch of information that I actually don't necessarily need. Most of this information, as time goes on, has grown to be outdated. Now, we all know in Africa, there's one concept that we can never run away from. It's the idea of time. Now, if I have to wake up and get to work late, my boss is going to look at the real time and tell me you are late or fired. Now, this is a big problem that I face each and every morning as a South African commuter. Now, something happened this other day. I'm getting to the train station and I look at a card that I had, my train ticket. Now, the train ticket underneath it had a link to a website called GoMetro. And I was like, wow, okay, cool. Seems like these guys are getting cutting edge. So I visited that site and I realized it was actually a solution to my problem. Finally, guys that also use public transport had finally come to the market to solve my very problem that I had to face each and every day. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so proud holding my Lumia today to present to you the Edge interface, a cutting-edge solution to all these problems by using a thin social layer that allows me to interact with my fellow commuters while I'm getting to work, while I'm coming back from work, and I let them and have them alert me of certain things that could have happened in real time and help me intelligently make a decision on which transport network out of the many that we have in South Africa at the moment to use if I have to get to work in real time. Now, I'll demo to you this amazing product today. Now, I've registered this site, like on this web app. I've been able to do everything. The interface looks slick and awesome enough. The first thing I get to see, I don't know if you guys can see how awesome this is. I don't know if I can get some help. Now, using sentimental analysis, the social layer that has been added to that time can now add more to the steps that I actually have to take when I'm making a decision to take a train or a bus. It doesn't look like the interface is as pretty enough as I expected it to be, but it's on the projector. But on the Lumia, it's looking pretty. So I get two cards. The first card actually tells me that something is not going well and I need to check. But I use the train every day, so I just want to make sure that this is actually what's happening. So I tap onto it, I see. Using the timeline, I actually can see with color-coded icons on the left that something is actually not right. I tap in there, I see all my friends actually say, nah, something is wrong. You're going to run late if you use this. But because I'm using GoMetro and I'm an awesome guy, I'm actually able to say, I can use the bus, because the bus can get me in time, right? Okay, cool. I click on the bus. Using color-coded icons, I'm also able to actually see if the bus is actually going to get me in time. Now, of the 450,000 daily users of us, we've been getting to work in time because finally a product that gives us real-time information in South Africa right now has come to our hands and has enabled us to get on our way to work in time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be presenting to you. I'm happy to tell you that the next year's first quarter, we will be looking to produce a product that will speak to the Kenyan market and help you Kenyans to avoid the issue of getting to work on African time. Because we just cool up there. We GoMetro. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.